Example 1. Consider points P, 1, 6 and Q, 7, 2 in the Cartesian plane. Using the distance formula, calculate the length of the line segment between the 2 points. Solution. Recall the distance formula. PQ equals root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Substituting the values, we get equals root of 7 minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 6 the whole square. Therefore, PQ equals root 52.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.